How's it doing, guys? Invest rupees 210 per month to get a guaranteed fixed monthly income of rupees 5000 per month. Yeah, you heard it right. By just investing rupees 210 per month from all your stipends and money you would be earning every month, you would be getting a guaranteed fixed monthly income of rupees 5000 per month from none other than the government of our own India. Yeah, you heard it right. So in our earlier smart investment hacks, we had talked about some investment products of making investments in short term like ELSS and some medium term investment mantras of investments in sovereign gold bonds. But very recently we had got lots of queries and demands from the people to suggest some investment planning for the retirement purpose. So we recommend only those products when we really make investment, we really feel like it is worth investment. So today all that we would be talking is about a very superb investment planning product which is known as Atal Pension Yojana, APY. So what this APY is all about? APY is a fixed guaranteed pension scheme of Government of India, wherein you would be making investment now, and all those investment money that you would be making investment now, you would be getting in the form of pension from none other than the Government of India, which they had developed PFRDA. So before making investment, what are those 5 smart things you need to know before making your investments in APY? So there we go. The first point that you need to understand is all about eligibility. Yeah. So the minimum age of a person should be 18 years and maximum age is 14 years. So any person who is between the age of 18 years and 40 years is eligible to make contribution in APY, and the amount of contribution that he would be making is up to the age of 60 years. So anyone who is between age of 18 to 40 years is required to make certain amount of contribution till his age of 60 years, and after the end of 60 years he would be getting a guaranteed fixed pension from the government by way of pension. So there are only 3 points you need to keep in your mind to check your eligibility: whether you are between the age of 18 to 40 years, whether you are an Indian citizen, and whether you are holding a valid bank account. Moving on to point number 2 is all about the amount of pension that you would be getting under the scheme. So there are basically 5 plans available under the scheme. The plan ranges from 1000 per month, 2000 per month, 3000 per month, 4000 per month till 5000 per month. So basically you need to select a product that the amount of pension that you wish to get at the time of your retirement, and depending upon your age and the age of entering into the scheme and the amount of pension that you are willing to get, your amount of contribution that you would be making right now would be decided. So if a person who is basically entering into the scheme to get a pension of 5000 per month, his contribution would basically range from 210 per month to approximately around 1500 per month. So the amount of pension that you would be getting from the government would be depending on your current age right now. Moving on to point number 3 is very crucial and very important. The earlier you join, the lower is the contribution and the maximum is the benefit. Yeah, the concept is very pretty and very simple. If you are entering at the age of 18 years, you would be making contribution till your age of 60 years. So the amount of contribution that you would be making for all your 42 years up would be totaling to approximately around just rupees 1 lakh, and the amount of pension that you would be making after that would be ranging from 5000 per month. So make sure that as soon as you earn your first money, as soon as you earn your first stipend, or even if you are not earning some of the things, you can easily make a contribution of 210 per month and guaranteed your income. Moving on to point number 4 is my personal favorite, tax planning. So this is one of the you can say it is a cherry on the cake. Yeah, exactly. All those contribution that you would be making right now would be eligible for deduction under section 80 CCD 1B of the Income Tax Act. It is very similar to National Pension Scheme of the Government of India. So 80 CCD 1B is an additional tax advantage which is eligible over and above your 1,50,000 limit available under section 80C of the Income Tax Act. So even if someone who is already exhausted his 1,50,000 limit, he would be getting additional tax benefit under section 80 1B of the Income Tax Act. I can't think of any product which would be giving so much of tax advantage. The point number 5 that I would be talking about would be how you can make investment in the scheme. So it is very important that you need to know very clear concept of how you really would be making investment in the scheme. So basically there are two options available in it. One is online mode and the other is offline mode. So if you are having your bank account and internet facilities online, it's very simple. You just need to visit the bank website and select the APY product, select the amount of pension 5,000 per month, select the contribution, whether you want to make it monthly, quarterly or half yearly, and like auto debit the amount from your bank details, and you are done with it. And if you're not having online facilities, then also it is very simple. You just need to visit your bank branch, fill in a form, give your other details, mobile number and an authorization letter to auto debit the amount from your bank, and you are there. So the bottom line of all these things is very simple. Already approximately around 1.25 crore people had already subscribed to this product, and I would highly recommend you all to invest for yourself. Highly recommend you all to invest for your parents if they are yet eligible to make investment in the schemes, and also recommend to all your clients, family, friend members to make sure that they don't miss out this product. So this is from all myself, Kaival, to guide you about this APY product. Make sure you if you still have any of the queries, you do write back to us and tell us how do you like these recommendations. Thank you.